Honourable Speaker, I want to thank the Honourable Member, Honourable Begnathan, for asking this question. Honourable Speaker, just to take you back, the Ministry of Waterways was established by the government in recognition of the fact that the management of waterways, the preservation of Fiji's pristine environment, and its support for agriculture is quite critical. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry is to provide support to its people, secure our biodiversity from flooding through drainage improvement works for farmlands and rural residential areas. The Ministry has already undertaken this project in areas that have been facing floods and is still committed for the provision of drainage improvement works around Central, Western, Northern Division, and Eastern Division as well. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry receives a lot of requests from farmers and rural communities which are in need to be looked after at times, especially during the rainy seasons. The drainage improvement works will technically construct pathways, including widening and deepening of our drains, creeks, to provide them with the bearing capacity and stability of water flowing. Also is to deal with issues of flooding in areas where we don't have any drain, and if there is a need to establish new drains. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry was allocated $500,000 towards its Drainage for Farmlands program in the 2021-2022 national budget. So far, we have committed $435,952, almost all of the funds out of the total budget allocated. The funds have been used to assist close to 1,400 farmers in the Central Division, 715 farmers in the Western Division, and 440 farmers in the Northern Division. Mr. Speaker, this includes a total length of 227,806 meters of drainage works. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry was allocated $500,000 towards its drainage for rural residential in the 2021-2022 national budget. The Ministry has so far assisted approximately 2,000 households in the Central Division, 2,700 households in the Western Division, and 409 households in the Northern Division. The total length of work carried out is approximately 185,738 meters. The Ministry has so far committed $418,563 out of the $500,000 allocated. So almost all the funds have been utilized. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry has been supporting farmers and rural households in the vision to boost the agriculture production and attain economic benefits. Mr. Speaker, this is also in line with one of the budgetary themes about 2 years ago of protecting communities, protecting rural households. Mr. Speaker, flooding has always been an issue for the rural residential farmers. And Mr. Speaker, before, there was no allocation to undertake drainage work for rural residential communities. There was only allocation, which was also funded by farmers under the old drainage lorem scheme, Mr. Speaker. So there were designated lorem drains, and the farmers were making contribution for that. Mr. Speaker, about 3 years ago, this government removed that contribution and took over the entire drainage work to be fully funded by government. In addition to that, Mr. Speaker, this government has took over establishing drains outside the established lorem drains. Number three, in addition to that, this government has taken over and provided additional resources to assist villages, rural residential areas, to protect them from flooding by constructing drains if it is wherever there is need for. So, Mr. Speaker, I urge the community members taking this opportunity not to, litter or throw litter in the drains, protect the drains. It's very important that we protect the waterways and keep it clear so water can flow out. And we would want to continue to protect our communities from drainage, from any flooding issue. Thank you, Naka.